Hey everybody, it's Philip Paley from Paley Landscaping. I hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to make this quick video and bring it to you, a project that we've been working on in Ormwood Park. Sod is going in right now. It is Xeon Zoysia. It's gorgeous. Look how green it is. It's November 22nd, 21st, 22nd. It's gorgeous, it's green, it looks really good. With Thanksgiving this week, they actually cut the grass at 4:30 this morning and they delivered it here about 7 o'clock this morning. So it doesn't get much fresher than that. We've got a fire pit going in over here. We got some final touches to put on that, and this grass is beautiful. It's gorgeous. They are going to have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and with all of the landscaping that they're doing, it's just going to look stunning. So if I can help you with any of your lawn or landscaping needs, don't hesitate to reach out to me. 404-320-6737. Philip Paley, Paley Landscaping. Make it a great day, everybody.